You know, when I'm doing this piece, I take great pride into what I'm doing.
I wanted to propose something to the city of Tampa where we would capture the essence of the Tampa Bay community. And so as an activist artist and as an artist that uses a lot of symbolism, I wanted something that represented Tampa Bay in the best way that I could.
You know, it brought back memories because I took embroidery when I was a teenager. And that wasn't yesterday, it was a long time ago. So I wanted to relearn this skill, and coming to the classes really helped me do that.
Having a workshop like this where students can be with me on a more intimate process and kind of focus one-on-one on the things that they need, learning the basics of embroidery, learning the basics of just art elements, is important because it helps in reviving that creativity within the community, and that I, as an artist, am doing my part in that creativity aspect.
It makes me feel good to know that it's going to live on because it'll be in the community that we live in, and it'll be a representation of something that's bigger than what we are doing right here. We don't know the final piece that it's going to be, but all we know that we're going to be a part of it.
A lot of people, when they consider community, they think of a group of people, but for me it's a lot more than that. It's effort, it's intention, and it's ensuring that everybody moves together as a whole. So that aspect of family is extremely important, and I definitely feel like I've developed a family with this class.